Though we have great chapels and Bible classes, that isn't what makes us a Christian school. All of our athletic programs, the arts, on the playground, is all being approached from a Christian perspective, from a distinct Christian perspective, where we want to truly find out, how can I serve God in science, in history, in English?
I think a lot of Christian schools have a reputation for not being academically strong, and that's something that we do take very seriously here at ICS.
Students will be challenged academically. We have a solid program in all of our core classes, as well as a good host of electives that students can be a part of.
We work hard with our children educationally and help them excel and grow there, but it's not just that. It is helping our children love learning.
We don't want ICS to be a narrow school that's only for a certain kind of student, but we really want it to be a place where all kids can grow to their greatest potential.